What is up everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to install Instagram. So before watching this video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So let's start the video. First of all, open Play Store and then search here Instagram. Now click on Instagram and then click on install. Now here you can see it will start installing. After completing your installing, it will show on your home screen. Now here you can see my Instagram will be installed. It will be installed and on home screen here you can see your Instagram. Now click on Instagram and here enter your account and log in your account. So this is the way to install Instagram. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.